Let's talk about replacing our domes and wax guards on the ends of our hearing aids. First, we're going to start by removing the dome off the end of the wire. Next, we want to replace the wax guard. So let's grab our pack of wax guards. We're going to pull it out and we'll take one of the tabs out. And when you pull the tab out, there are two ends. There's a replacement piece and then there's a removal tool. What we're going to do is grab the end of our hearing aid and we want to line it up to use the removal tool to pull the old one off. You'll hear a click when you pull it off. Then we're going to flip it around on the longer side and we're going to push that straight in to replace the wax guard. You can go ahead and throw that tab away. Next, let's set the hearing aid down and we're going to replace the dome. If your previous dome is still clean, you can reuse it. Otherwise, open your pack of domes, go ahead and grab one, and we're going to line that up on the end of the wire and just push that in straight so the new dome replaces it.